We have a user manual available to guide you on how to use the digital signature certificate for signing. Download the browser signing solution from the link provided in the module, and follow the installation steps on your system. As you can see, it's now downloaded and installed, so we can go ahead and start the application. Before using DSC, we should first ensure that the browser signing solution is running. Insert your token-based DSC device. Install the required application as per your DSC vendor, and log into the application. You're now ready to sign up. If you're a new user, click on the sign up link to get started. For registration with DSC, click on the Add button. A pop-up from the browser signing solution will appear, prompting you to select your certificate. Choose your certificate and click OK. A new pop-up will appear asking you to enter your DSC PIN. Once authenticated, your DSC details will be automatically fetched and displayed in the module. Fill in the remaining details and click on the Register with DSC button. A confirmation message will appear indicating that the registration has been completed successfully. Log into the module using your username and password. Fill out the form and upload the required documents to proceed. Click on the Document Sign and Submit button. The form signing page will be loaded. Then, click on the Sign with DSC button. You will receive a response confirming that the document has been signed successfully. If you encounter any issues, please reach out to our support team at support@capricornit.com or contact us at 011 614 00 000. Thank you for your valuable time.